This is Team Power Mix Club.
And what you see right now, the mosque, that is the Jami Asri Mosque. We will stop by there later to take photos. But then again, you need to smell first. Because one of my guests before, he tried the durian. He doesn't like it. He ate it. So the next day he said, Mira, I think I don't want to eat it anymore. So it depends on people. Sometimes they can tolerate it, sometimes they can't. So the reason why it is quite packed here is because, like I said, the food here is so cheap. And sometimes after work, people just too lazy to cook. So they just stop by here and get the food that they want and then they go home.
Itlog tapos kambing. Ano yung gagawin siyang ano parang shawarma? So, parang shawarma. Tingin na lang tayo.
Jangan-jangan mau dipilih apa?
Not spicy ah.
Lahat is spicy. Take out lahat. Chicken na lang.
Lamb.
One lamb and one... okay, two lamb.
No.
Power Mix Club.
Guinness record daw.
DJ Dan Remix.
Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Brunei Market. Itatry daw namin yung nasi katok.
Nasi katok.
Yung rice ay may katok. Palengke guys. Wait, napakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, kita nyo. Ano lang din, mukha siyang Pinas. Ang daming tao. Tapos meron din silang durian dito. Ayun, wow, juice. Wow. Mura lang ang mga bilihin dito guys, mga $1, Singaporean dollar. Ayan, ang daming tao. We will try the nasi katok. Meron din silang pansit dito, parang sa Pinas. Ayan, ang karni. Sarap yan. Pero ang pera namin US dollar. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin. Ayan. Uy. Ano to yung...
Parang tofu. Tikman natin lahat.
Oo nga, tofu. Ayan.
Ma, it's not that one, it's this one.
Yeah.